Is your iPhone screen stubbornly dark, even when you've cranked the brightness all the way up? Don't worry, we're about to troubleshoot that annoying problem in under 90 seconds. First, let's check the basics. Open your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, find and select Display and Text Size. Now, look for Reduce White Point. If it's toggled on, turn it off. This feature can drastically dim your screen, even at max brightness. This is the most common reason for the dimmed screen problem. Okay, if that didn't fix it, head back to the main settings menu and this time tap on Display and Brightness. Make sure Auto Brightness is toggled off. Auto Brightness can sometimes misjudge the ambient light and keep your screen too dark. Still too dim? It's time for a restart. For iPhones with Face ID, press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. For iPhones with a home button, press and hold both the power button and the home button until you see the Apple logo. This clears temporary software glitches. If the hard restart didn't fix the problem, go back into Settings, then General, then Software Update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Outdated software can sometimes cause display issues. Install any available updates. If you've tried all these software fixes and your screen is still dim, it could be a hardware problem, especially if your phone has been damaged. In that case, it's best to contact Apple support or a qualified repair technician for a professional diagnosis and repair. Good luck, and hopefully, your iPhone screen is bright again.